Hi guys, Dan here from CVF Racing. Today we're going to do a quick trunk hinge install on the 62 Impala. First thing we're going to do is build the hinges up here on the floor. We'll go ahead and get these built up, we'll mount them in place, and then we'll go from there. So no cutting or drilling is required for these hinges. Once we insert them into the original box, we'll start our screws. Go ahead and tighten these all down. And same process on the other side. Now that the hinges are installed inside of the factory pockets and they're tight, we'll go ahead and install the top bolt here on the hood on both sides, leave them a little bit loose. And grab a friend to help you slide the front on, and we'll get the bottom bolts put in. From there, we'll make adjustments. Looks like the whole trunk needs to come back. So we'll raise up, lift the trunk back up on its sliders, and then we'll retest and go from there. We'll also make an adjustment here now too. These both should be pointing the same direction. Retest. So we're going to want to move the top of the trunk lid just a little bit to that side, since we're a little tight in this gap. So we'll open the trunk back up, loosen our cam buttons, make those adjustments, and then we'll try again. Make sure both sides are close to equal. And make equal adjustments on the other side. You'll see that the trunk lid is a little bit high in the back. There's an adjustment to help bring that down or up if we need to go that way. It's inside the hinge, so we'll open up one more time, make that adjustment. Turn this counterclockwise to lower. Same thing on the other side. All right, check our adjustments. All right guys, we're pretty happy with the gaps on this car. That's gonna wrap up the video today. The adjustments we made today are gonna be the same for any vehicle. The brackets are gonna be a little bit different car to car. Adjustments are all the same. Remember, if you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching.